Saregama, owner of the largest library of songs in India, brings to you Saregama Carvaan, a digital audio player with 5,000 evergreen songs inside, along with inbuilt speakers. Now, listen to the best of Indian music whenever you want, without internet or TV. Just rotate the dial to choose your favorite artist, whether it's Rafi Sahab,
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला,
Kishore Da,
लड़की भीगी भागी
or Lata Didi. And non-stop songs of these selected artists will keep on playing without any ad breaks. You can also select music as per your current mood. Sad,
लंबी जुदाई,
instrumental, happy,
name is Lakhan, my name is Lakhan.
and more. And that's not all. With Carvaan, you also have the entire collection of Geet Mala with you. Yes, that's 50 years of Geet Mala countdown in Amin Siani's voice.
बहनों और भाइयों, गीत माला की छाव में का ये पहला वॉल्यूम है.
What happens if you don't like a song? Just use the previous or next button. And in case you want to use your headphones or external speakers, there is an audio jack as well. You can also connect your mobile phone via Bluetooth and use Carvaan as a Bluetooth speaker. Or plug in your pen drive into Carvaan and listen to your personal collection of songs. Carvaan also doubles up as a radio and allows you to tune into any FM channel in your city. And there is absolutely no need to worry about changing batteries. Saregama Carvaan comes with a charger and inbuilt battery, which once charged lasts for approximately 5 hours of continuous playtime. And in case you misplace the charger, you can use any Android phone charger instead. That's not all. We also provide 1-year warranty. Just in case anything goes wrong, we will be at your doorstep to fix your Carvaan.